Hello, are you able to hear clearly? Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. My voice is clear for you? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yesterday, kinematics we were seeing. Today we will be continuing with the same kinematics topic. There may be some new students, but you need not worry about that, because I am going to repeat all this again. Jagadish, unmute and speak once. Jagadish. Jagadish, unmute. Are you able to hear?
हाँ सर.
Okay, 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 right, right. Now look at the board. A force is applied as shown in the figure. Force ceases to act after 5 seconds. Find its velocity at the end of 3 seconds and also at the end of 8 seconds. Are all of you able to see that clearly?
No, sir. Small,
Board is not
little
clear?
zoom, sir.
No, sir.
Little zoom, sir.
Read
Good
one of you
morning,
read.
sir.
Bhumaitri, read.
A force is applied as shown
Yes,
in the
sir.
figure.
Yeah,
Force ceases to act after 5 seconds. Find
yeah,
its
very good.
velocity at the end of 3 seconds and also at the end of 8 seconds.
Very good. First write down the question, what is there? Now actually in dynamics part, in Newton's laws, then only we have to discuss about force, but in kinematics also, if you link the Newton's laws with kinematics, you have some advantage. That is the reason why we are discussing about the Newton's laws also.
Sir, once. Sir,
Yeah.
once can you previous slide?
No, this is the first one, ma. This is the first one we are doing, just started. Okay.
Good.
Now listen, force is applied as shown in the figure. Force ceases to act. Ceases means stops to act. Stops to act after 5 seconds. That means, can anyone tell me, up to 5 seconds, what is happening to the body? This is 2 kg body, and here you have force of 20 Newton, and this is a smooth floor. Listen carefully. 2 kg body, 20 Newton, it is a smooth floor. You know Newton's law? From Newton's law, you can understand that F equal to ma. Actually, net F equal to ma. I was telling you this point. Students who are new, listen once again. First I will do this problem, again Newton's second law I will be explaining for you. 20 Newton is acting for 5 seconds.
Please stop.
That means the body is going to accelerate for 5 seconds. There is only one force, F net. If I write F net equal to ma, that is 20 Newton. There is only one force acting. There is no frictional force. There is only one force acting on the body. So F net is 20. But the force acts only for 5 seconds. At the end of 5 seconds, the force disappears. It means the body is going to accelerate for 5 seconds only. That too, it will have uniform acceleration. It means what? The velocity of the body keeps on increasing for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, whatever velocity it acquired, with the same velocity it will continue. Once again I am repeating. Force ceases to act after 5 seconds. That means force acts only for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, there is no force. It means the body accelerates only for 5 seconds. The velocity of the body keeps on increasing for 5 seconds. At the end of 5 seconds, there is no force. Whatever velocity body attained, this is A, this is B. Whatever velocity body attained, at the end of 5 seconds, it will continue with the same velocity throughout forever. Once again, whatever velocity it acquires at the end of 5 seconds, the body will continue to move with the same velocity. That is Newton's first law. In the first class I told this model,
Yes, sir.
but again some new students are there, so again I am repeating this. So what is the velocity at the end of 3 seconds? Is there force acting up to 3 seconds? Students, tell me. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that means it is accelerating. So I can write velocity as, first let me calculate the acceleration. F net by m. F net is 20 by m is 2, that is 10 meter per second square. So acceleration of the body is 10 meter per second square, F net by m, Newton's second law we are using. So velocity, if you want, at the end of 3 seconds, v to u plus at. It started from rest, so u is 0, I can take out the u. So v equal to a is 10, t is 3, 30 meters per second. Look at this here. Now listen. The body is accelerating up to 5 seconds. That means velocity of the body keeps on increasing up to 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, whatever velocity it gained, with the same velocity it would continue. It will continue. So v equal to u plus at, the body, if I don't mention anything, it means the body is starting from rest, no doubt. So at, a is how much? 10, t is at the end of 3 seconds, 3, therefore 30 meter per second. So what is the velocity of the body at the end of 3 seconds?
30 meter per second.
30 meter per
30
second.
meters per second.
Sir,
Yeah.
here u is equal to 0, sir.
Yeah, not because the body is on the floor.
It's from rest.
Body starts from rest. Very good, very good. Because if I don't mention about initial velocity, you should understand that it is starting from rest, that's all. So u is 0. So what is the velocity? 30 meter per second. Write down till there first.
Sir, once again, so previous slide.
This is the first slide, ma. This is the first slide we are discussing. Who is the
Means, sir,
boy?
my net problem, sir. My net problem
Oh.
just now I joined, sir.
Okay, okay. You are, that is why I am telling all the students one important suggestion for you. Have a Wi-Fi router connection if possible. Otherwise, use the network service which is very accessible to you. Good network service. If you have the Wi-Fi system with the router, that is better. Tell your parents if that is possible. Otherwise, take the best network service.
Sir,
Yeah,
here in question they gave that find velocity at the end of 3 seconds and
Correct.
so at end of 8 seconds.
and also at the end of 8 seconds. We found at the end
Yes,
of
sir.
3 seconds. We have
Yes,
to
sir.
find
8
at the end
seconds,
of
80
8
meter per
seconds.
second.
I will tell you.
80
I will
meter per
tell you.
second, sir.
I will tell you. That is why I gave that question. Question appears simple, but you have to think here carefully. If so easy, why I'll ask you at 3 second, 8 second? If it is simple, I will not give the same model again. This is completed now? Yeah. Now listen. Now we want at the end of 8 seconds. Now already I told you it is acting only for how much time? 5 seconds.
Yes, sir.
It means
5
it is going
seconds.
5 seconds. So V equal to U plus AT. I have to find out what velocity it will gain at the end of 5 seconds. I have to find out the velocity acquired at the end of 5 seconds. Why? Because there is
50
force
meter per
up to,
second.
yeah, let me check that. 0 plus what is A? What is A?
10.
10
That is
meter per
20
second.
10 meter per
10
second.
meter per second.
10 into 5,
5.
50 meter per second.
50 meter
Now-
per second.
Now listen, at the end of 5 seconds, the velocity is 50. Imagine it is here and here at the end of 5 seconds, 2 kg mass. After 5 seconds, it acquired 50 meter per second. After 6 seconds, it will have, can anyone guess? 50. After 7, it will have 50 meter per second. After
50
8,
meter second.
50 meter per second. Now what you
Also 50
understood
meter
here?
per second.
Yeah, someone answered 80.
Velocity is 50 meter per second.
Yeah, because by mistake, if you try 10 into 8, it is wrong. Why? Up to 8 seconds you don't have force. Force is only up to
Yes, sir.
how much time force
5
is there?
seconds.
5 seconds.
Up to 5
Then
seconds.
after 5 seconds, 6th second, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 100th second also, the velocity remains constant. So whatever velocity it acquired at the end of removing the force, at the end of 5 seconds there is no force. Afterwards, it will continue with the same velocity. So what is the velocity at the end of 8 seconds?
50 meter per second.
50. At the end of 6 seconds?
50 meter per second.
At the end of 10th second?
50 meter per second.
Very good. Write down that. Write down that.
50
Write down.
meter per second.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Write down that point first. So what you understood this problem, from this problem, you have to know for how much time forces
Acting.
acting.
Force is
Very
acting.
good. Afterwards, the body will continue with the same velocity under the absence of external force.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. At the end of 5 seconds, 50 meter per second. At the end of 6 seconds, 50 meter per second. At the end of 7 seconds, 50 meter per second. 8 second also 50 meter per second. Many students by mistake they will write 10 into 8. That fellow will give options. At the end of 8 second, 50 meter per second to 80 meter per second. Many students will choose 80. Wrong. It is 50. Because by mistake in the place of time if you put 8, you will get 80. But for 8 seconds, force is not acting. Force is acting only for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Very good.
5.
So answer is 50 there, 50 meter per second. And that 50 continues. But why we did at the end of 3 seconds? 3
30
seconds?
meter per second.
No.
30
What
meter
time?
per second.
30 meter per second. At all of you mute, only the student whom I am asking should unmute. No more sound should come out. Very good. Now, in the previous case, in the end of 3 seconds, the body is undergoing acceleration. That is why V equal to U plus AT. It's undergoing acceleration. So 3 seconds you got 10 into 3, 30. 5 seconds, 10 into 5. Can anyone tell
50.
me, yeah, can anyone tell me what is the velocity at the end of 4 seconds?
40
40
meters per
meters per
second.
second.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. 40. What is the velocity at the end of 6 seconds? 6 seconds.
60 meters per second.
Per second. 50.
Who tell?
60.
50,
Wait,
sir,
I'll
50.
ask.
50, sir.
Kaushik. Only Kaushik should tell. Unmute and say.
50
at-
meters per second.
Very good. Because after 5 seconds there is no force. After 5 seconds there is no force. At the end of 6, at the end of 7, at the end of 8, at the end of 9, every time.
50 meters per second.
Very good, very good. Can anyone tell me what is the velocity at the end of 1 second?
10 meters per
10
second.
meters per
10 meters
second.
per second.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, can I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you written this clearly?
Sir, once wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So once zoom the question.
The question I am zooming it. A force is applied as shown in the figure. Force ceases to act after 5 seconds. Find its velocity at the end of 3 seconds and also at the end of 8 seconds.
Sir, now at end of 8 second, it is 50 meters per second, sir.
Yeah, why not? At the end of 6 seconds,
50
50
meters per
meters
second.
per second.
that's all.
Sir, if
What
the
is-
surface is
ah.
changed, is the force difference?
If the surface is
Surface.
having friction, then I have to deal separately.
Change it, sir.
It will change. It will change.
Okay, sir.
Then I have to take net
Okay,
force. Net force divided by
Yes, sir.
mass. Why I took only
Okay, sir.
one force? There is only one force on the body.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah.
while finding at the end of 8 seconds, you kept 5 seconds, sir. E is equal to 5, you kept.
And no. I'll tell you again. See, the doubt was from which side? Boy? Tell me. Who is that boy? Okay. I have taken V equal to 80. A is 10. I took 5. The doubt for the student is, why you have taken 5, sir? You are asking at 8, no. What did I say? At the end of 5 seconds, what velocity it acquired? It goes on with that velocity. Because there is no force. No more discussion there, listen carefully. There is no force acting. Whatever velocity it acquired, it will continue with the same velocity. Did you get the point?
Okay, sir.
No, you confirmly tell whether you understood.
Sir, that means till 5 seconds,
Yes, sir.
the velocity is changing. After 5
Ex-
seconds, constant velocity.
Exactly. Why? After 5 seconds, there is no
Because
force on the
force is
body.
not acting.
But there is no force.
Exactly. Very good. That is the importance of this problem. Where the student will do mistake is 3 seconds he will do correctly, 8 seconds he will do mistake. Suppose force was acting up to 10 seconds, then I should write 10 into 8. If I want for 8 seconds, 10 into 8. But force is
80
acting only for
meters.
5 seconds. Yeah, very good. Okay, I will go to the next one. Look at this here. A
The
ball
ball
is
is projected vertically
up with certain
with
velocity
certain velocity.
u. Time of ascent is 4 seconds and the displacement in the last second is d. If velocity is changed, then time of ascent is 5. What is the displacement in the last second of ascent? I am telling you here. I am throwing this vertically up. The time of ascent is 4 seconds. In the last second it covered d. D is given.
D.
Last second while going up. If I throw it with more velocity, time of ascent is how much now? 5 seconds.
5
Now in the last second, how much it will cover? First
seconds.
time. All of you mute, first listen. I will ask each student, they only should open. Unmute, I mean. Now listen carefully. When the time of ascent is 4, in the last second, time of ascent is 4, in the last second, it covered d. Time of ascent is 4. If the time of ascent is 5, in the last second, how much it will cover? Velocity will change. Now listen. Can anyone tell me in the last second d, when I throw with some velocity? Can anyone tell me the time of ascent formula? Time of ascent.
Sir,
Time
1 by
No, time of ascent formula. How much time? When I throw a ball up, how much time it will take to go to the highest point?
Sir,
Yeah.
u minus d into n minus half.
No, I want total time. Total time. Now listen here. Listen carefully.
U by G.
U by G, very good. Who
U
is
by
that
G.
boy? Saket.
Kranti, sir.
Saket. Kranti, yeah? Very good. U by G. How you get that formula? V equal to U minus GT.
U minus G.
GT. At the highest point, what is the velocity? U equal to U minus G TA. TA is U by G formula. I gave you this formula already. At the highest point, velocity is 0. Then in the place of T, I will write TA. TA means time of ascent, U by G. Now first case, let me see. In the last second, particular second, the displacement is d. Particular second formula, I will tell you, they only should tell me. Kaushik, tell me. Particular second formula. Last second, no, particular second formula. Bhumaitri, tell me.
Sir, S last is equals to g into n minus half.
What about u?
U 0, sir.
How u is 0? I look at this. Can I tell this pen to go up? It will go?
No, sir. No.
I have to throw. U is not 0. If I drop, u is how much? Yeah, but I am going up. Now tell me the formula.
S last is equals to u minus g into n minus half.
Very good. That's right. That's right. S last equal to u minus g into n minus
half, sir.
n minus half. Now listen. Can anyone tell me last second is what? Fourth second or not?
By.
Yeah, fourth second.
Yes, sir.
N
Yes,
is
sir.
4.
Fourth.
N is 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But u by g is 4. So u is 4g. You agree? U by g is 4. Total time of ascent is 4. So u is how much? Cross multiply 4g minus
4G.
9G by 2.
Yeah, last second is how much? 4. 4 minus 1 by 2. So
7G by 2,
4g.
sir.
Yeah, minus 3.5 means 7g by 2.
2.
That is g by
G
2.
by
You
8
agree?
G by 2.
G by 2. G by 2 means how much?
Yes.
Can you tell me? G by 2 is how much?
4.9.
4.9. 4.9.
4.9.
9.
4.9 meters.
0.9.
That means in the last second it covered how much? 4.9 meters.
9.
That's the first case. Second case, let us come back. Second case.
పెద్దమ్మ ఉండమంటుంది ఉంటే
All of you, no more talking there. Listen carefully.
అందుకే ఉండమంటుంది
Right. Now, when the time of ascent is 5,
ఏంటి అర్థం కాదు.
no discussion with your members in your family there.
డాడీ బ్యాంక్
Charishma,
Sir, when 5 also G by 2 only, sir.
mute. How
Sir,
much ma?
when 5 also G by 2 only. G by 2.
Who is that speaking? Who is that spoke? Good,
Sohail.
good boy. Sohail.
Sohail.
And very, very, very good. It's correct. Because yes last, now let me find yes last. Yes last is u minus g into n minus half. But u by g is 5. So 5g, u is 5g minus g into 5 minus half. That is 5g minus, this is 4.5, 9g by 2.
9G.
That is g by 2. Oh, see the beautiful point there. See the beautiful point. Now, what is the importance of this problem? Whether it is 4 second or 5 second or 10 second. In the last second of ascent, it will cover g by 2 only.
G by
G
2.
by 2.
That is the
Yes, sir.
importance of this problem. One small trick I will tell you. In the exam, if you get a question, no need to think, it is very simple. If I throw a ball up, last second while going up is nothing but first second while coming down. You agree? Again, I am repeating.
Yes,
This
sir.
is-
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, 1, 2, 3. Suppose third second is the last second. Okay, this one will take 4. 4. Fourth second is the last second. While going up, fourth is the last. While coming down, that is the first, second, third, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 second total. That means last second of ascent is first second of fall. First second of falling. In the first second of falling, how much you will get? Let me see. I will write here. First second, S1. First second of fall, u is 0 plus g into 1 minus 1 by 2. How much? See the trick there? Last second of ascent is first second of fall. How much we got?
G by 2.
G by 2. That means the importance of this problem is whether the time of ascent is 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, whatever it may be. Last second of ascent, D. In the fourth second it is D. In the fifth second it will be how much? Last second, D only. That D is nothing but 4.9 meters. So what is the answer now? What is the answer now?
G by 2.
G by 2. No, in the question I gave, in the last second of ascent D, If I change the velocity in the last second of ascent, d only. That d is nothing, yeah, that d is nothing but g by 2. Did you get the point?
Yes.
Yeah, write down that now, write down. Everything is on the board, you can write down. Afterwards, I will tell you. See, in kinematics, so many tricks you learnt. You have to use those tricks in the exam. When the question comes, students should not say, the question is, the answer very lengthy, sir. All that you should not say. The examiner, paper setter, wants you to think differently and answer it quickly. I am not saying that all questions will have some tricks. But surely in the question paper, 20 to 30% you will have tricks. So trickily you have to solve, and
For
that
this question,
time,
no trick.
the trick is what? Last second of ascent is nothing but
First second.
first second of
Falling.
fall.
Falling.
First second of fall is what? S1 is 0 plus g into 1 minus half. Y 0, u is 0 plus g into n minus half. N is 1. That's all. So you should get the idea. Last second of ascent is nothing but first second of fall. That's all.
Fall.
So first second of fall, how much? G by 2.
G by 2.
Yeah. So if they say in the last second of ascent it is d. Last second of ascent is d for 4 seconds. If the time mute, Somasaket, mute. If the time of ascent is 4, in the last second d. If the time of ascent is 5, in the last second d. If the time of ascent is 6, last second d. If the time of ascent is 10, in the last second d.
The last second
That-
is D.
D is nothing but 4.9 meters.
4.9 meter.
Very good, very good.
Nice.
Right, now I will go to the
Sir, once again, can you repeat the line? Last second of
last second of ascent is nothing but first second of fall. Note down that point. Last second of ascent is first second of fall.
D.
First second of fall, F-A-L-L, falling.
sir. Now here last second is fourth or 5.
I gave in the question, total time of ascent is how much? 4. Last second D. If the total time of ascent is 5, last second how much?
D.
D. If the total time of ascent
D.
is 10, D. That's all. It will not change.
D.
Yeah. The idea you should get is that last second of ascent is nothing but first second of fall.
G by 2.
Yeah. G by 2.
Sir, that
G by
means,
2 is
now if they
Yeah.
give any time, if the last second is 5 or last second is 10, anything
Very
G by
good.
2.
Very good, very good, correct. G by 2. That is the idea you should get. Now listen, very interesting, I will tell you, one point. You heard about impulse? Impulse. Did you hear about impulse?
Yes, sir.
Can any,
Yes, sir.
Somasaket, you tell me what is impulse?
Sir, impulse.
Impulse.
It is product of force and time that produces a finite change in momentum of the body is called impulse.
Very good, very good. It's a product of force and time which gives you the change in momentum. I am writing here. F equal to m v minus u by t. You agree for this formula? Because acceleration is v minus
Yes,
u
sir.
by t. Acceleration is v minus u by t. A, ma. I should write F net, F net. It's understood. So F net into time is mv minus mu. This is called impulse. That's called impulse. Now if I ask you what is impulse, what you will say? Force into time.
F net is equal to
Yeah, that's I am just using the word force. It means F net only. Force into the time for which force acts is called impulse, or impulse can be defined in another way. Change in momentum of the body. Just 1 minute. Sudhir sir, 5 minutes. అది అంటే కెమిస్ట్రీ సార్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువైంది. ఓకే, నౌ లిసన్. Now listen carefully. Impulse can be defined in two ways. One, force into time. Of course, net force you understood because I used the word net force before. Or impulse is nothing but change in momentum. Change in momentum. Now listen carefully. A person, a cricketer taking a catch, the ball is coming with velocity v, or u I will take, ball is coming with the velocity u, it hits his hand and very soon he will become, all of you mute, it abruptly stops the ball, abruptly stops the ball, a fielder, then he will be hurt or not, his hand will be hurt or not, one of you, Bhumaitree.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, mute, his hand will be hurt. Suppose if he takes the catch like this,
It will not hurt sir.
it will
It
not
will
hurt.
not hurt.
It will not hurt. Now listen. In which case impulse is more? When he abruptly stops or draws his hand towards his chest?
Draws his hand towards his chest.
Impulse is more in which case? I will wait for first initial velocity of the ball is u. He stopped the ball. Two ways the fielder can stop. Suddenly stop the ball, or he can, look at me here,
Sir, he'll pull back his hands to stop the ball. Second
My
case sir.
question-
Impulse.
my question is, first case abruptly stopped, second case gradually stopped. In which case impulse is more? I will ask the student, they have to answer. Saket.
Yes, sir. Second case, sir.
Second case. Okay. If anyone knows the answer, you can unmute and tell me. Saket told second case. Anyone can unmute and tell me. Harshini, Jagdish, anyone can unmute and tell me. Who tells this answer, they will get a sky bag from me in the offline class. Sky bag, you know, quality bag, they will get from me. You can come and ask me in the offline class. Who tells this answer? So no one wants a sky bag, I think. That's quality bag is there, no? That one. Those who answer, they can ask me, sir, I answered, you told you will give me, you have not given. Then next day, I will come and give you.
Second case sir.
Second case. Three options I am giving. First case, abruptly stopped. Abruptly stopped. First case. Second case, gradually stopped. Third case, same in both.
Sir, these
Fourth-
are conditions for impulse.
Yeah. Fourth case, cannot predict. Cannot predict. Now, if he stops abruptly or gradually, or is the impulse same in both, which option is correct? You have to explain, then only you will get the gift.
Sir, gradually.
Who is that?
Sakit.
Saket. Anyone else wants to say? I will conclude. Math sir is waiting.
Sir, what, sir? Once again, repeat the question.
Gautam asked now. Who asked? I want in which case impulse is more or less or same, you have to tell. When he stops the ball abruptly or gradually.
Sir, he stops the ball
Impulse is
abruptly.
more.
Abruptly, sir.
Impulse is more in abruptly, sir. And
Abruptly, sir.
actually, because impulse is more in abruptly, because if we catch a ball without going back, then force will be more and we may get hurt.
Yes, sir.
But
We
but
may
when
get hurt, correct.
when we gradually go back and catch the ball, then force is less, so we will not get hurt also, sir. So impulse will be less.
Impulse will be less. Okay. Who is that boy?
Sir, Gautam.
Gautam. Your explanation, I will not say whether it's correct or wrong. I will conclude the class now. Tomorrow you have to tell me the answer. Tomorrow. I am giving one day time, see. You have to think. You should not go on asking anyone, and you should think yourself. Because tomorrow he will ask you the explanation for that. From tomorrow you will get homework also. Don't get frightened. Only 3 questions for homework. That's all.
Sir, where
3
we
or
get the
4.
homework?
I will give.
Where
I
we
will
get-
give. I will give. I will tell you. From tomorrow
Okay, sir,
or
thank you.
day after, yeah, you will get the homework also.
Sir, once
So
again,
keep.
you said.
Pardon? Yeah. You can write down. All of you mute. I can hear the sound at the home. All of you should feel that you are in the physical class. Okay. I am concluding now. All of you unmute and say bye.
Bye.
Okay. God bless you. God bless you, ma. Tomorrow we will continue. All of you think about the answer and tell me. Right? Good day.